Sticks, we want to talk about how you treat animals.
It's not a good idea to shake kittens out of trees.
They know the law of the jungle. Trees are no kitten zones.
That's a real law?
You should get a pet. It would help you learn to love animals. Don't you think, Sonic?
Yes, absolutely.
Then you can take Sticks pet shopping right now.
No, absolutely not.
I ain't cute, fuzzy, and adorable. See? Too cute. Too fuzzy. So adorable. It's
Disgusting?
the least objectionable option. Oh, who's a little cluster wuster? I'm gonna name him Buster.
Buster the Cluster?
Sticks, when I said get a pet, I didn't think you'd come back with something so...
Wonderful.
Ookie.
Sticks, are you sure you want to keep this cluster?
Ahem. It's Buster. Finally, I have an adorable little pet that doesn't disgust me.
Ew, Buster got slime in my fur.
That just means he loves you.